Hi guys, so today I have two packages, both are from Jay. This is just our letter, and then this one is a birthday present, and the front is really cutely decorated. It's just like my name in calligraphy, but since the addresses are so big and I didn't feel like covering the addresses right now, I can't show you it. And then for this one, it's just this, and I love this memo sheet. It's cute. Anyway, let me open it real quick. Again, I really don't like editing. It just takes a while, so you guys could watch me struggle to open this. I'm trying not to rip anything. Okay. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Shit. Excuse me. Okay. So, here's the letter, songs, questions, and answers. So I'll quickly read this and then get back to you. I just read her letter, and it was basically just like answering what I mentioned before and kind of life updates. So here's the playlist. The only songs I've listened to was Make It Right and Vibe, and I actually just like started listening to Vibe because it popped up on my YouTube recommendations, and I really do recommend it. Like, it's such a good song, and it has a great feeling to it. So here are some questions, and then I like how she did this. Here are answers, and then I started a TikTok again. I actually don't remember which one I was, but like, it's fine. I think that was the O's. So I did this or that, and this is just her answers for that. And now finally the like extras. Well, not finally, well, now extras. So I'll open these ones first. This looks like just washi photos and paint samples. Fucking love paint samples. Excuse me. I really love paint samples. So this is so cute. These are like kind of soft winter themed, and I love it. Also, excuse my nails, they're really bad. I took off my acrylics I think last week, and then I painted it over, and now the paint just started chipping on top of me, like slowly peeling it off. So life is just messy right now. I'm really hoping to get my nails done soon. I love like low quality pictures. Oh my god, look at him. Look, oh my god, everyone is so freaking amazing. This is like my favorite picture. I fucking love Hansel. Everyone is so like gorgeous. I don't understand. Okay, washi. I really like this color purple. Also, the sun is currently setting. So sorry if the lighting's bad, but I just got home from just running a bunch of errands all day. So I'll do my best to like try and adjust if need be. Okay, here's this one. This is such a pretty color. I think at my old house we actually had our living room this color, And then, gosh, she's literally ethereal. Like, I don't understand. Oh my god. I love them. Okay, now for this thing. I literally hate opening packages. I was like, I don't understand. I just hate opening things in fear of ripping them. Shit, shoot. I tried, it's fine. Okay, so I already told Jay this, but I'm planning on like literally murdering her for sending me this because I told her not to. And this is all extremely unnecessary. Like, she already fills my letters. I don't need her sending me a birthday gift thing. The birthday package. Also, sorry if my voice is so like quiet, low. I'm really tired. Can't get it out. Okay. She sent me. Oh my god. Okay. I think that's not it. Oh my god. Guys. Oh my god. I fucking hate her. I'm not sorry for my language that time. Oh my god. Okay. I don't even know. Like, these are so pretty. I hope she knows that I will now start saving money to buy her something even better. Because now we've entered war. This is now a competition. She's so annoying. Oh my god. Oh, these are so cute already. I'm already like in kind of a war with some of my pen pals, just like sending better stuff and trying to send better stuff, even though I know pen paling is more about the letters and everything, but I feel so bad with them sending me so much stuff. And then like sometimes I genuinely like can't, but like they're so understanding and I love this. Okay, I actually really like Hello Kitty. Like, she's a cute character. I love these. I've been getting into like a lot more soft pastel colors, like pinks and purple, lilac colors lately. So like her sending me these is actually, I'm actually really grateful, but still, how to get away with murder. I can't put those back in. These are like these are scrapbooking papers. I truly needed a lot more green too, so I'm so happy for this. But I don't know. This is hard, guys. I can't deal with her right now. She literally sent me a face mask. Fuse with exfoliate your skin, reduce and treat acne, eczema, and wrinkles. Everything that I have in one mask. Okay. Oh, it's getting so dark so fast. I'll try and like hurry up. stickers. Oh, these are cute. I love little like Shiba stickers and succulents. This is actually really cool because in my ceramics class I'm making a totem pole filled with succulents and cacti. So like it's really nice to have these. Oh, little characters. Okay, here's Tay. This kind of looks like Jimin. Yoongi. Jungkook. Yoongi. And I actually have the sticker. Wait, I fucking love this sticker. I used it in my Love Yourself Her, I think. No, I think I use it in either Her or Tear. Yeah, no, I use it in Tear. I'm so happy to like have it again. This is such a cute sticker. Okay, now these are like aesthetic pictures, like an aesthetic picture. I have the biggest baby right here. Biggest baby part 2, part 3, and part 4. I freaking love her. Young. Okay. This is so nice to have because I literally don't have black washi. Like I don't have anything on the grayscale. Oh shoot, the sun's going down. Okay. So it's nice to have this. Thank you, my love. And then she sent me an entire roll of this washi tape. Like, and it's a lot. I'm kind of upset. And then this literally Tombow calligraphy pen. Literally, let's see if I can do this. Look how pretty that gray is. Oh no, it leaked. I had to wash my sheets anyway. I spilled concealer on it, but like it's fine. But look how pretty this is. Oh gosh. I can't stand her. I have to yell at her again. Anyway, thank you for watching. And if she gets consent, I will link her Instagram down below so you guys could yell at her too. And I just hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.